Good afternoon to all of you.
Afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Switch on the videos. Switch on the videos. Okay. So I will read the second paragraph once again. Please switch on the videos. Hadidi, Vishnupriya. I'm not so worried about my girlfriends and myself. Well, make it. We were talking about make it, Nirupama, isn't it? Hmm? I was talking about the word make it. Did you reflect about this? Did you think about it? Always, every day, at all moments, you should think about I should, Savio, I should make it. I must make it. I will make it. Clear now? Clear now? Okay. The only subject I am not sure about is maths. There are many people who are afraid of maths. Don't. If you don't know maths, you love maths. The maths will love you. Suppose, you see, you made a quarrel between two people. What is the best method to end the quarrel? Badra, what is the best method to end the quarrel? Badra says, I don't quarrel with anybody else.
Saying sorry.
Saying sorry or begin to love them. Begin to love them. So the other person will think, even I have made, Meghna, even I have made such a kind of quarrel with him, still she is loving me. So quarrel will be melted. So if you have a quarrel with any subject, maths or English, anybody, you love that subject. You love that subject. Suppose if you want to quarrel with me, Josie sir, the best method, you try to love Josie sir. So the English textbook will be coming very near to you. You will be able to understand English very well. Anne Frank says, you see, the only subject I am not sure about maths. Anyway, all we can do is wait. Until then, we keep telling each other not to lose heart. If there is any dislike, any disparity between two, the only thing she says, you wait for a moment. Let the ice be melted. Okay. I get along pretty well with all my teachers. Underline, very good sentence. I am very happy with all the teachers. Are you happy with all the teachers? Hands to you. Eh? Are you happy with all the teachers?
Yes, sir.
Ah, yes. Okay, very good. So you are happy with me also, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. So I get along pretty well with all my teachers. There are 9 of them. There are 9 teachers, 7 men and 2 women. So here it is opposite. 7 women and 2 men, isn't it? Isn't it? So for Anne Frank, there were 7 men teachers and 2 women teachers. Mr. Keesing, coming, a person. Mr. Keesing, underline. Mr. Keesing, the old foggy who teaches math. Old foggy, a good old man. Like Josie sir, isn't it? All others are very, you are young and smart, but this poor old man is poor old man. Okay. This poor old man is poor old man. So for Anne Frank also, there was a teacher, Mr. Keesing, a foggy, old-fashioned old man. So if you want to become Anne Frank, go to Mr. Keesing. Badra, understand? If you want to become Anne Frank, Rifa, go to Mr. Keesing. Keesing, you see. So Mr. Keesing, the old fogey who teaches maths, was annoyed with me for ages. From class 4 onwards, I was disturbed with Mr. Keesing because I talked so much. Ah, now you understood why didn't Anne Frank understand maths? During the class time, Anne Frank was talking in the class. She was not attending the class. So Mr. Keesing scolded her. Mr. Keesing scolded her. So she didn't like, underline, because I talked so much. Sorry. After several warnings, punishments, he assigned me extra homework. This is another kind of punishment. So Anne Frank was given a lot of punishment, warning, Melvin, a lot of warning, because Anne Frank was talking in the class. Where were you talking in the class?
Yes, sir.
Where were you talking in the class?
Yes, sir.
No. Uh, Sometimes, isn't it? Eh? Sir, now class is not there. I am sitting at home alone. How can I talk to others? Melvin is asking. He is asking a counter question to me. Sir, I am sitting at home alone in front of my computer. And how can I talk to others? Okay, he is not talking to, with anybody else. Okay. So, after several warnings, he assigned me extra homework, punishment, an essay on the subject. He gave me a punishment to write an essay. And you know the topic? A chatterbox, a talkative girl. That is the meaning. Chatterbox. You are a chatterbox. That means you always talks too much. Chatterbox. So the topic of the essay is chatterbox. A chatterbox. What can you write about that? So Mr. Keesing calls her and Frank, hey, chatterbox, my dear chatterbox, what can you write about that? I would worry about that later, I decided. I would worry about my talks. I jotted down, I wrote down the title in my notebook. So it is a punishment. So I have to write it. So she took the notebook. On the top, she wrote the title. Tucked it in my bag, tucked it, kept safe. Tucked it. Tucked means here means kept safe. Put it in my notebook, sorry, in my bag, and tried to keep quiet. So it was the last chance. Mr. Keesing publicly called her a chatterbox and asked her to write an essay on chatterbox. By that time, she began to stop. My dear Johan, I think you are spending much time on creating many creative works with your laptop. Don't make such a kind of figure in the class. You sit straight, remove all those backgrounds, show the photo where you sit. For many days, I am seeing. You keep it plain. Don't go for any kind of modifications, nothing. During the class, you see other photos. Present the photo as it is. Don't concentrate on these kind of things. Attention will be lost. Okay. Many days I was thinking to talk to you. Okay. The that evening, After I had finished the rest of my homework that evening, the day on which she was given the essay, chat box, very good, chat box, chat box. After I had finished the rest of my homework, maths homework, social homework, English homework, science homework, after finishing all homeworks, the note about the essay caught my eye. So, after the completion of my regular academic class notes and homeworks, I saw the page written with chatterbox. I began thinking about the subject while chewing the tip of my fountain pen. What you do, isn't it? Eh? Let me go to Melvin again. While sitting for examination, sometimes we are taking the pen and bringing into the lips, isn't it? Many times you have done it, isn't it? I have seen
Yes,
biting
sir.
the pen. When are you biting the pen? When you don't get the answers, isn't it? Am I right, Arjun? In the examination hall, when are we biting the pen? When we do not know the answer. So here, our Anne Frank saw the page written with chatterbox, chatterbox. So she sat and began to think because she has to write about herself. She has to write that she was a chatterbox. Pratyush, can you follow me? Yes. So now this is a great difficulty. You are free to write many things about others, isn't it, Ashik? You can speak many things about others. Vishnu Priya is not studying very well. Ashik says, not I, not I. Ashik can speak about many people. Eh? Aditya is not studying very well. As Josie sir, I have telephoned to Aditya many times and asked him to study very well. But Josie sir, Aditya is not studying. Ashik says, I don't say Ashik is studying. I say Aditya is studying. Bhadra is saying Adidev Shankar is not studying. It is easy to speak about others, comment about others, isn't it? Am I right? When we
Yes,
want
sir.
when we want to make a comment about ourselves, we will be silent. Am I right? Am I right? Here, Mr. Keesing had done the same work. Mr. Keesing gave a topic, chatterbox. And Mr. Keesing, the mathematics teacher, was calling her chatterbox. And she was asked to write an essay on chatterbox. A chatterbox. That evening, while she was chewing the tip of my fountain pen, anyone could ramble on and leave big spaces between the words. But the trick was to come up with convincing arguments. Underline there. The trick was to come up with means present. Come up with meaning present. Present convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. You see how creative she was. Nirupama, Anne Frank was a talkative fellow. Anne Frank was a talkative fellow. And the punishment was given to her to write about herself, saying that she was a talkative fellow. Clear now? Now, here, Anne Frank was thinking how to present, to justify herself. She wanted to justify herself as a good student. So she began to think, what is the necessity of talking? Savio, do you follow? Anne Frank was now thinking about the importance of talking. And she is ready to prove that talking is very much important. Therefore, Anne Frank has to talk in the class. Therefore, Anne Frank should be a chatterbox. Clear now? Very, very cunning. Very, very cunning. Clever girl. So here she was thinking how to prove herself as a chatterbox. Okay, the rest we will see. Today I end the class little early because I have to go for my vaccination, COVID vaccination. I am going now. So I end the class just now. Okay, we will continue in the next class. I have the timing
Sir.
this time. So I am going. Okay, so I end the class 5 minutes early. Thank you.